final call from remaining guests on Virgin Australia Flight 819 to Sydney.
To welcome back our Velocity frequent flyers along with our Virgin Australia business flight members. It's wonderful to have you with us. Bill, and your first officer is Michael Gasker. In the cabin we have Paul, Bua and Hayley. We'll now take you through our safety demonstration, so please pause your devices and give us your attention for just a few moments.
Safe is our top priority, so before we take off, please give us your attention as we share important safety information and help us to create a safe and enjoyable flight. Infant and spare life jackets will be distributed by your crew if needed. To find out the brace positions and other important safety information, check the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. Door blinds are open, tray tables put away, and all bags are under the seat in front of you.
Liberty